Hello everyone. I firmly believe that the success of any application or any LLM lies in its dataset. If the dataset is of high quality, there is every chance that your LLM or your SLM or your uh, multimodal language model would be of very high quality. But if your dataset is garbage in, then there will be garbage out, and there is a guarantee of it. If your dataset is of high quality, it doesn't guarantee that your model will be of high quality, but it increases the odds. But if your dataset is rubbish, then there is every chance, and I can almost assure you that the LLM or the AI application won't be up to the mark. A dataset is a collection of data, typically in a structured format, used to train, validate, and test AI models and machine learning applications in various ways. Dataset can be images, text, audio, video, sensor readings, time series data, and few other modalities. Datasets are really crucial for AI development because models learn patterns and relationships from the datasets. Datasets evaluate models' performance during training, and datasets also assess final model accuracy. Datasets help identify biases and areas for model improvement. So, what are the good characteristics of dataset? Well, if a dataset aligns with the problem being solved, it is accurate, complete, and consistent. It has sufficient size for the reliable training, and it represents various scenarios and edge cases, then the dataset is a good dataset. There are a lot of data sets out there. For example, there are some public data sets which are openly available, and then there are some private data sets which are proprietary, and then there are synthetic data sets which have been generated artificially with the help of large language models. These days, it is very hard to find a good data set, and if you are looking to generate your own synthetic data set, it could be very expensive exercise. So data quality issues, biases and fairness concerns, data scarcity, data privacy and security are major problems when it comes to creating or obtaining a data set. That is where these sites which I'm going to share with you today in this video could be of immense help, because these sites allows you to either have free data sets or with very liberal licenses. So let's see what these websites are. First and foremost, you can see that I have this website from Microsoft Research. If you go to this website and then scroll down, you will see that this website offers data sets, code samples, lot of other things. But if you just select the data set here, then you will see on the right hand side you have lot of data sets. At the moment, 157 data sets, and most of them are of very good quality. Now you can further drill it down with some of the keywords here. If you want to say, okay, I want to go with open data sets, just click open, just type open here, and there are a lot of data sets which it is going to give you. And you can simply go and download it by clicking on this download button. It is as easy as that. Another website which I wanted to show you is this from AWS. So it is a registry of open data on AWS. So you see, if you go on the left hand side, let me make it a bit bigger so that you'll be able to see it properly. Okay, so you see right now the total data set it is offering is 568, which is quite a good collection. So for example, if you just type here medical, you are interested in the medical data sets, on the right hand side there are a lot of data set which you can scroll through and check out. So for example, if you just go with this medical information mart one, it tells you a lot of other things, where it is hosted. So at the moment it is here in AWS S3 bucket, which is object store managed service from AWS. It is in this US East 1 region. So you can simply use AWS S3 commands. You just need to install AWS CLI in order to get it downloaded. And then there are few other usage examples which you can follow these tutorials, and then you can access it from there. It also gives you this you can also contribute to it by editing here, and there are a lot of other stuff. Okay, now There are a lot of other things like licensing, which is very important when you are doing some production grade fine tuning or training. You must know what the license of dataset is. So this is from AWS, really good of them. A lot of choices here. Another one is this from Google. So very simple, very minimalistic approach from Google as usual. So you can just simply type here what sort of data set you want. For example, I say legal, press enter, and then you see there are a lot of data sets. There are 100 plus data sets found. You can go with the download format. So like you want tabular, document, image, what sort of document you want, or you want with the last updated, like you just want the recent ones, past month, this is the one, or what is the usage choice, commercial use allowed, non-commercial use allowed. So let's say commercial use allowed. There you go. So you have this data set which you can use anywhere, and you see the format is there: Excel, CSV, XML, and JSON. And then you can even go with provider here, and if you click on free, these are all free data set. How good is that? Okay, now another option you have here is from Pew Research Center. Now this Pew Research Center, this is a non-partisan, non-profit think tank based in Washington, D.C., US, that conducts public opinion polling and demographic research and media content analysis to inform policymakers and the public on key issues. This research center, which is on the name of Howard Pugh, who was in, I think, around 50 years ago, he was quite a prominent philanthropist and American businessman who funded this. But this center provides fact-based, unbiased information on topics such as politics, media, technology, science, and society, offering comprehensive reports, data sets, and interactive tools. So if you go to their website, they have shared some of the data sets which you can read through, which is quite good. Now, there are not many, unfortunately, but still, I think it is not that bad. Next up, we have these papers with code. So this is from Meta, and they also have all of these data sets where you can see the paper, you can check out the code. And if you click on this data set here at the top, this also gives you a lot of data set, like more than 10,000 data sets. How good is that? Again, you can filter it down with what sort of domain you want. Like you just want to go with bio, stereo, tables, music. Maybe let's go with the music one. These are the music data sets. Then you can filter by task, like you want to go with music generation. So we have 9 data sets, and then you can filter by language. For example, you say, okay, I just want English. So we have this data set, and then you can also, of course, sort it, but there's only one here. If you click on this music caps, you will see that this is a free text caption consisting of 4 sentences. A lot of other detail is there which you can check out. And this is these are the papers, I guess. These are dataset loader, and these are the similar data sets. How good is that? And then you can also check out the licensing terms here on the right hand side, and you can also access it from its homepage if you go there. Now, one thing I have found out, and I'll show you. For example, if you click on this homepage, it takes you to the Google research. So that is quite interesting. And then if you click on this data set, it takes you to the Kaggle. There you go. So Kaggle is a hosted service from AWS where you can have a lot of data sets, models, code. And this is what I have also found out during my research, that many of these data sets, they ultimately point to Google's website. So which is quite interesting. Anyway, not all of them, of course. And then you can also have Azure Open Data Sets. For this, of course, you would need to log into Azure, and then you can access them. And then if you're looking for cybersecurity data sets, this is a good site. Not many, but still some of the data sets which are quite comprehensive, like this multi-source cybersecurity events, and then associations in time, network data set, which you can access easily from there. For example, if you click here, you can go and check out how to get this. There's some zip files and stuff. And of course, you would need to citation. And then you would also need to give some of the information to download it. So all in all, these are the websites which you can access. Let me know what do you think about it. I find them very, very useful. So let me know what do you think about it. If you like the content, please consider subscribing to the channel. If you're already subscribed, please share it among your network as it helps a lot. Thanks for watching.